focus on the defense back and the stock in focus is BEML. Now, in a conversation with my colleague Samir Dikshit, the company's chairman and MD Amit Banerjee expresses that they are planning to penetrate the export market soon and also shed some perspective on the order count and execution. How is that in the pipeline as well? Let's hear in what was the conversation.
We got an order from ICF for 10 train sets of the Vande Bharat sleeper version. And the design work as well as the manufacturing and development work, that will be done by us.
Okay.
And we expect the first proto rake to be rolled out by the month of April next year.
Okay.
So this will be a total game changer. Like we have been doing the metro coaches, the earlier passenger mainline coaches, and now we are entering the Vande Bharat field along with the sleeper coaches.
Okay.
So I feel that the next step will be for the further increasing the speed of the coaches and all. And from there, we also intend to do the high-speed coaches, which the Mumbai-Ahmedabad line, whatever is there, that is expected to come out shortly. So those high-speed coaches also we plan to do it.
What is the order size of this Vande Bharat sleeper based, and are you also interested or looking to get some more orders regarding the same?
See, the present order is of 10 train sets.
Okay.
And the order value is 675 crores. And once this is delivered, this 10 train sets, possibly once the prototype is delivered and the trials are completed, we are expecting further orders of Vande Bharat. That will be from ICF. And more than that, we are also hearing that there are further 200 train sets sleeper version orders tenders are going to come out.
Absolutely. In addition to this, the Railway Ministry is also having a plan to come up with Vande Metro for intercity commuting. They have already moved in this direction. Will BEML looking to go for Vande Metro as well? Some talks on the same?
Sure. See, traditional we have been a rail coach manufacturing unit.
Okay.
In fact, this is the first rail coach manufacturing unit in the country.
Okay.
Now, initially we have been doing the mainline coaches. Then subsequently we have been doing the maintenance vehicles, the overhead equipment maintenance vehicles we have been doing it. And in 2002, 2003, we entered the metro field.
Okay.
That's when Hyundai Rotem, at that time Korean rolling stock company, they chose us. And we were the first people to manufacture the metro coaches in the country. That was the RS1 project of Delhi Metro.
Okay.
And rest is all history. Today we are supplying the coaches on our own. We are designing the coaches. For instance, the coaches in which you are standing, this is the Mumbai Metro coaches. And we have already supplied 33 train sets, and it has been very well accepted by our riders in Mumbai. They are all very happy. It's something totally new. And shortly, right now, this is with automatic train operation, and shortly it will be going into the driverless version, that is the unattended train operation. So it's, I would say it's a great achievement for our company, and we look forward to further improve on this.
That is quite an interesting aspect, because we are standing in Mumbai Metro, that the 33rd rake, which is soon going to be delivered. Would like to understand that from the metro coaches point of view, what is the order size that currently you have, and what new orders that you are expecting or looking at?
See, right now we are having this Mumbai Metro order of 576 cars.
Okay.
And roughly we have delivered around 32 to 33 train sets. So each train set consists of 6 cars. We also have an order of Kolkata Metro. See, Kolkata Metro, the east-west version, that one was supplied. We have supplied almost 84 cars to Kolkata Metro.
Okay.
And you might have heard that recently the trials was conducted below River Ganges, that is Hooghly River. And those trains were our trains only. And further, we have got an order of 18 cars from Kolkata Metro. And we are also having an order of from Delhi Metro for 80 cars. And recently, we are L1 in the Bangalore Metro tender. That is for 318 cars and another tender for 72 cars. So The present, if you see, the order value of the Mumbai Metro is almost 4,000 crores. The Kolkata Metro, 18 cars, it will be somewhere around 100 plus crores. Then the Bangalore Metro tender, in which we are L1, which we are going to get the order shortly, possibly by this month or in first quarter itself. That order value is almost 3,170 crores.
Okay.
The 318 cars. And further variation orders are also there in that. A lot of other metros are also coming up. The Chennai Metro, the Patna Metro, then Mumbai Metro Line 6. Recently a tender has come out for 108 cars. Mumbai Metro Line 4, that also is coming up. So the metro business is pretty good, and we expect to bag at least more than 50 to 60% of this requirement.
So this will improve the financials, the books, to what quantum? I mean, to what expectations that you are having as of now?
See, over the years, presently, like after we started the metro business, we have been doing, our rail and metro business has been doing almost 30 to 33%. Of course, last year it fell down due to some reasons. But going forward, we expect that the metro business, it will be crossing this financial year 1,500 crores, then possibly by next year 2,000 crores, and beyond that also. And we are also working out for export orders in the metro field. You might have heard recently we had an agreement with the Delhi Metro. That was for the Bahrain Metro. So jointly we want to supply to the Bahrain Metro. So it's a turnkey project in which Delhi Metro will be doing quite a lot of things, and we will be supplying the rolling stock.
Okay.
So we are quite hopeful that we will be shortly penetrating the export market also.
All right, let's move on and tell you